And today I am giving the case study of the wine company, and its name is Sula. And how Sula Wine Yard built a wine monopoly in India. And behind this was the one person, that is Rajiv Samanta. He was doing a work in the USA in Napa Valley. That time he realized, he observed that most of the people in the weekend they visited Napa Valley, not just because of tasting the wine. They visit there for a watching experience for grapes field, and apart from the going for experience. The same thing he observed for building a wine. I need a climate such that in a summer season we need a hot day, in a day hot, in a night cold, and same thing in a raining season we need extreme rain, and in summer winter season we need extreme hot, and but along with we need also rain. So that's the recognized in the Napa Valley. Apart from 4 countries, they are suitable for the wine. First is the Napa Valley, USA. Second is the France. Third is the South Africa, and fourth is the Italy. And then after Rajiv Samanta came in the India, and after that he recognized that Nashik is the same climate. And he realized that in Nashik they get the same that of climate, and then he thought to start a new business in the wine sector, and he take lots of money from their father and apart from land. So what do you think? Rajiv have a good idea, land and money. Then it's easy to run a business? No, because Rajiv have one of the biggest competitor, that is the government. Because government don't allow to open a wine in a easily, because government apply 100% tax in the wine sector. Apart from no license easily, government don't provide the license in easily way to anyone. Third is the foreign wine, because foreign investors don't come in India, and that system is like a very big wall, and no one able to cross this wall. But here one statement very famous of the Dhirubhai Ambani, and he told that if you want to cross the government system like a big wall, then you have to create a one door in this wall, and you able to easily come and go, means in and out. That's the system. Same thing Rajiv started, and they started to walk bureaucrat office every time. And when he met the Maharashtra politicians and Maharashtra CM, that time in 1990, that time he told that if you apply the 100% tax in a wine, means you are not applying the tax in the wine, you also applying the tax on the work hard of the farmer. Because if you apply, then it's decrease the motivation of the farmer. They don't produce the grapes in a huge amount. But here is the one problem. We know 2 types of grass. First is the table grass, means which one we use every day for eating, and second is the wine grape, that is called black grass, and this thing used for wine, and this is the very suitable for wine because their skin is the thin and their life is the long, and after harvesting wine grape used for wine processing. But here is one problem. When a farmer grow the table grass, means table grass, their life is only 2 and 3 days. But middlemen take advantage of this problem, and they control the farmer, and they buy this product in a cheap way. That's the reason farmer don't get a profit. But here Rajiv Samanta told the bureaucrat, sir, you not applying the just 100% tax in the wine, you also apply the 100 tax in the farmer work hard. That he told all the things. Sir, if you reduce the tax, then all the farmer get a better income, and I motivate them to grow the black grass. Then their income is the grow, and their lifestyle will be better as compared before. And next, After that, when a bureaucrat, when a Maharashtra government agreed, then after he also provide land apart from electricity facility and for made a solar unbeatable. First is the contract farming, and here get a here get a benefit along with farmer and Rajesh Samanta, because farmer get a long term their sustained income, and along with Rajesh Samanta also get a price in a low price for long term. So that is the, and second is the wine tourism. You know here wine tourism, why? Because Rajesh Samanta, when he was in the USA, that time he realized in the Napa Valley in USA, they are not famous for a wine. Most of the people visited there in a weekend because they create a resort. And there they feel, they get a experience, and apart from they taste a wine. Same thing in Nasik, they build a huge amount of a resort, and people went there in a weekend, and they get a experience of resort along with they would taste the wine. Has the pride democratization. This here, they what they negotiate with the bureaucrat, there he reduced the 0%. This government charge 0% tax in the wine sector. So that's the benefit the Rajesh Samanta gets in this sector. And third is the Rajesh Samanta revenue is the 600 crore. But apart from, you see only in India 3 companies, and their revenue is very low as compared solar revenue. So that's the benefit. And here we have to understand why no anyone catch them. Because first is the import barrier. Because in India banned foreign company in a wine sector. If any foreign company want to invest, then they have to pay 150% tax. Second is the land and climate model. Because Nasik is the one of the famous place for this particular season, and in India is a very rare case that we find that like this of climate change. Second is the ecosystem locking. Because Rajesh Samanta make a contract deal with the farmer for long term. That's the reason, and no anyone company able to beat this thing. So that's all the things get benefit for Rajesh Samanta. Third is last, we have to understand what is the entrepreneur learn from this. First is the hidden value gas, because he find the what is the value, what is the actual problem the farmer facing. First is they facing a problem for selling their grapes, and that is the problem they solve. Second thing is the democratization price, because they negotiate and they decrease the price. Because here if you buy other product, other wines brand, then they have to pay much money as compared to solar. That is the reframe narrative, because what the narrative he framed with a bureaucrat that here. And second is the build a motor, because Rajesh Samanta build a circle in their organization that can no one able to beat them. So that's the reason now solar company is the one of the monopoly company in India. So that's all. Thank you everyone.